Hey guys, welcome back to yet another very helpful content of 1 2 Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make some custom wallpapers on Zedge. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make some custom wallpapers, you just simply have to open your Zedge application into your device. Then after that, just simply go to the wallpaper section. And into the wallpaper section, after scrolling down a bit, you will see this create your own unique wallpapers option. Now, in order to create your own wallpapers, just simply click into this get started button, and then after that just simply choose a style that you want to make. Then after that you can also choose a lot of suggestions into here, and after that you can also put some cool tricks into your wallpaper. And then after selecting the style, just simply tap into this create button, and each time you click into this create button, it will consume one energy that you have. I have 3 currently, so I can easily create my wallpaper. Click to this let's go again, and then it will start creating the wallpaper that you asked. As you can see here, it created this alien creature with biopunk type into mine. You can choose filtrations into here like style and text, and you can also convert it into other images, but every time you use any of those, it will take another one energy. In order to save, just simply click into this done button, and now you can share it, download it, and use it as wallpapers into your phone. By following these very easy steps, you can easily make a custom wallpaper on Zedge. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.